Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today episode this cool image right here, and basically what these are some dish soap. And then see we have a refill option right here, and then right here we have the actual bottle. So the one that we got right here is a C minimal scent. So if you see, this is basically what the bottle looks like right here. And then see the bottom right here, they mention how it's actually plant-based as well. And it also has grease cutting powder inside, so that way it actually help you guys remove any kind of grease on your dishes or whatever. If you guys see in the back part right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product right here as well. And you basically want to just refill it with one of these right here. So the one that we got right here is basically the same thing in terms of the scent that's on here. It is a C minimal scent. They do have a lot of other scent available, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one is preferred. But definitely really nice how they provide you guys this option right here, where you guys can actually hold it like that. You basically want to just open up this lid option right here and just start pouring it out really easily. If you can see in the back right here, they also provide you guys information to teach you guys how to actually refill it as well. But basically for one of these refill packs right here, you guys can fill it 2 times once you guys completely use the bottle. And when I purchased it, I got the 6-pack because that was the best deal at the time when I got it. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me show you guys how to refill it real quick and show you guys how well it works. And we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the bottle right here. Let me show you guys how to refill it. So you basically want to take this part out, put it on one side for now. You basically want to open up this part right here to fill it back up. So you want to hold this part right here and pour this part inside here. So very easy and very simple in terms of how to actually refill it. Alright, so that should be good. You don't want to refill it too much because you just still have to put the lid back on. So I'm going to put this back inside right here. And then close it back up. And then you guys are basically all done and you guys are ready to use it. So I'm actually test it out to show you guys how it works. Alright, so we got it right here. If you guys can see, it fits perfectly in my Joseph & Joseph sink holder right here, where I can put the sponge, my brush, and the dish soap right here. So I basically want to get it wet a little bit and just squeeze a little bit on top. So just like this. And now I can start using it to actually clean stuff on here. So when you guys use it, you don't have to squeeze too much. It actually produces a lot of soap on here. So literally once we actually start using it, you definitely smell the scent on here. It's actually pretty nice and really powerful. You can definitely smell that like C minimal scent on here. Alright, so we're all done. That's how you guys use it. Very simple and very easy to use it and really easy to refill it as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now there's a quick test of the product. Definitely see that she does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to refill the bottle. As you can see, once you guys open up the lid, you can definitely pour it in really easily. And then when you guys are ready to use it, if you haven't seen the video, all you need to do is just pump it into your sponge and just start doing your dishes really easily. And literally once you guys start using it on your dishes, you can definitely smell that strong C minimal scent once you guys start using it. But in terms of the scent, it really depends on what you guys are getting. Like I mentioned, there's a lot of other scent available. So whatever you guys get, that is what you guys will smell. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for some high quality dish soap that's very eco-friendly in terms of using like plant-based material, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.